Let me find I need a ceiling fan, and I need
I like the noise, but I don't like how loud is it.
I need what did I say? Oh, lights for the bathroom.
We are here.
Found. I think we might have struck gold. Got some doors for $20. Gold, struck gold. That means good deal basically. Man, they got windows. How much is these windows? $100. That's not bad. The doors are cheap as dirt though. $20 a door. I need about 8 of them. 36, but I need some 30. I need 30 by.
So this is the nice talent.
30 by
Be
80.
nice for a year.
I don't think I need no 36s. 28.
I'm taking a picture of you.
Excuse me. See, you can find doors that say 30 by 80. 30 by 80. You too. Go look. 30 by 80. And if you see it, say, Dad, I found it. I'm gonna go look. How many 28s I need? Nope, we need a 20 and 24. So we got 28, 28. I ain't got no 30s. Got a 30?
30 by 80. This is 30 by 80.
Where? Oh, it is. Okay. Thank you.
30 by 80. That
Go
looks
find
like
some
a
more.
6.
Go find some more.
Okay. Get this one.
Where is it at? This one?
Yeah. It looks like a 30.
Okay, hold this.
Wait, I think this is 36 by 80.
Yeah, I think there's 36. It's the same as these doors. 36.
I think. Wait, can I check?
Yeah, it's 36. Let's keep looking. Come on.
36.
That's a 36. We just got bad handwriting. That's a 28. We just got bad handwriting. What's we got down here? 28, 28. All these are 28.
32.
28, 36. Let me see if I can use a 30. All the other ones I need. Yeah, the biggest is 30. Nope, no 30s. If you see a 24 by 80, call me. 24 by 80. I'm gonna go check.
A lot of 28s. Guys, I found the 200 by 80.
Really? Oh, got it. Hurry up, Noah. Ooh, it's nice and nasty out here. What you doing? On that dang old phone, I see. Okay. You get it here? Oh, yep, my bad. Jerry, I was gonna say, you could take that mirror down too.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm going to do a mirror or another cabinet. I'll probably just do a mirror. Yeah, I might do a mirror, it's easier.
Okay, that's so that we keep it, right?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, is anything wrong with it?
No.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
All right, brother.
Yep.
Let's go to the car so I can break my phone.
I'll find a rake. Don't worry about it. I'll go to Dollar Store. Anyway, you gonna need a ladder too. I didn't realize how tall these bushes were.
Yeah.
God dang, cause I wanted them I wanted to be able to see the window.
Right, you gotta take it down, take it down. You just give me the stuff, I got it. Manicures and pedicures.
Let me see if they got a rake and a ladder.
They probably got one there.
So I'm asking.
What's up, amigo? How you doing? How y'all doing? How about yourself? Everything good, everything good.
What's happening? Oh, ooh, looking good. Dang, gas
Good
ain't,
heat right there.
gas ain't come
That's
yet.
good heat.
Oh yeah, looking good. What's happening?
What is it?
Great. Beautiful day, live and well.
You guys are good one. How you doing, bro?
You ain't got no ladder, do you?
Ladder?
Yeah.
What kind of ladder?
It don't matter. I'm
About this tall.
about to trim these bushes for me.
You can use that one? Yeah.
Come on, you ain't using it?
No. Mono. You didn't think I knew that, did you? Mono.
What's that mean?
Brother.
Oh, for real? Oh, nigga, you seen that on YouTube or something. Countertop, you know. This is where the what do you call it? Dishwasher. Oh, you want it over there.
I think the dishwasher should be better over here because you got the plug right here.
Let's see. So boom, I got the spacer, two 18-inch cabinets, the stove that's about 26, 27, and then the 36-inch boot. And then I need a base on the cabinet there. So this is how many inches is this? 4. And window to there, and stove. You see this?
Nah, he a mathematician.
36 is right there, boom. Oh, so that'd be perfect. 36 go right there, boom. And from there, the stove would be right here, which is 27. I think the stove is bigger than 27 inches.
Unless it's a small ass stove.
It might be like 30. So we're gonna say 30. That's the stove, so I need a 30-inch cabinet. The stove gonna stop about right here. So I need the wall base 30, a 30-inch wall base. So boom. So I need this to be, so the sink actually gonna stop right here. I got my wall wrong. So this gonna be a wall 30-inch right there. And then from here gonna be the big cabinets. And then these gonna be the big okay, so boom. So 30 wall and then two 36s. So 30 up. Okay, I got it. Figured it out.
Figured it out.
You
The
need
little pipe thing.
the who?
The handle, whatever that thing
I
called.
put it in a vehicle.
Oh.
This is better. Look at this cute.
Yeah, it's real cute. Real cute.
Let me go down here in the basement right quick. Not today.
You have and this is a little thing.
Yeah, this is a big basement.
Then you have a game room.
I started to put carpet down here.
You no. Well, carpet keep warm, but
At least over there in that little room, I could put carpet. I could put carpet over there in that little room.
little room.
But I'm painting these walls bright white. I should have went with the high gloss, but you know, we good. I wanted to be bright as it can get. I'm gonna put the flakes on the floor. I might do the sparkles.
That stuff. What you call that stuff? You told me. What's that shit you throw?
The flakes.
Huh?
The flakes.
No, man. You called it something. Man.
Call it flakes. Yeah, call it flakes.
Epoxy.
Oh yeah, you putting epoxy on.
What's this?
What you mean? It's a dishwasher. Oh, and I got a knife in there. But heck yeah, I can't turn that down. $60? Come on now. Definitely getting. Oh,
Put the dishwasher in
hold
there.
this. I gotta measure it. Hold that for me. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about. I need that. It needed 24 inches. I got 23. That's perfect. Yep. Look like you got
Get
everything.
that on your camera. Just seeing I lift this by myself.
You did that. You did that.
Yeah, I
You did
lift
that.
this by myself.
How old is you?
Don't be saying that on TV.
Man, why they put all that trash over there? That's crazy. They need to fix the gutter. Lights don't work? Guess not. Oh.
Maybe they won't. Maybe. No good.
Oh, okay. Let me get some more.
Maybe.
Oh, you did the upstairs up over the all. Yeah, you doing your thing, man.
Yeah, that's sweet.
You look at.
That's your bathroom?
No, it's customers.
You did it?
Yes.
With the little inlay? I like that.
See, you need to hire him right there, Blue.
He's hired.
Oh, well, I'm talking about the dude, the bathroom.
And then when I get home, I do mine.
Have you ever seen that movie Paid in Full? Hey, is all them hundreds you got right there? He did this. Now, he badass. Man, he doing everything. Yeah. Have a dream. That's all you gotta do is have a dream. Believe. Have a vision. Put effort into it. What can't you do? Anything that you done had troubles with, struggles with, did you get through it? If it didn't break you, you got through it. You know what I'm saying? You still alive, you got through it. It may not turn out the way you wanted it to, but you got through it. Have a vision, have a dream.
I'm gonna grab them, order them cabinets. Or not order them.
Buenas tardes, buenas noches, see y'all later, all that. And you do 25, so you parking at 25? Man, hey kid, let me come work for you. Cause he ain't paying me 2,500. Hey, y'all have a good one, man. I want them to see this yard that I just did out here in the cold. Yeah, his yard look like everybody else's yard, and ain't nobody in there. This is T Bookwork. Yeah, and I'm fixing to get, he want me to crawl up under there. Picture this here. Now you know I gotta have mad love and respect. He want me to crawl up under there, get all that trash. $20 an hour.